what Manchester United and Erik ten Hag is doing now is basically bedding him back into the team, taking the time, giving him the strength, the encouragement that he needs. He's brought him back into the squad, training with the squad, but still, remember, not playing. Training, but not playing games. So come the end of the international break, will we see Anthony Martial at his full potential? Or will we see another injury blow again and again and again? Granted, Erik ten Hag said that Manchester United plays its best football when Anthony Martial is in the team. We need Anthony Martial in the team, flowing full flow. But we need him to stay fit. We need him to remain fit for the end of the season. I have faith in Anthony Martial. I have faith in Erik ten Hag. But I need him to show